Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to enable full screen gesture in Android phone. If you're using an Android phone and now you want to enable full screen gesture, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings, and here you just have to look for system or system management. Here the system management option, just select it, and here you will get system navigation option. Just tap on it, and then you just have to select gesture navigation. Just tap on it and it will be enabled, and after that your gesture navigation will be enabled. Now you, if you want to go back, you just have to pull it from right or left corner, just like this. But if you want to open your recent app or go to home screen, you just have to pull it up and hold to see your recent apps. So that's how you can easily enable full screen gesture in your Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.